Hey guys, it's Jesse from the Whirly Bros. I want to share two systems with you guys today. Actually, two operating systems. So the first one here, this is a variable speed system. This can be used to replace ITT Marlowe, old Kohler systems out there, and a couple different ones. Pretty much almost anything as long as it's 120 volts. And then you have to use it with this pump right here. Okay, so this one's great. It's 2.5 inches squared. It's got double-sided sticky tape. You can insert it anywhere on the tub and it'll cover the hole up and stick really nicely. Okay, and then I have the second system here. This one's operated by a remote controller, and it can also be operated with this air push button. This one has 3 speeds. One thing I forgot to mention, this is a waterproof floating remote control. It's completely sealed, so this baby can just float in the water with you, okay, while you're in there, and it's not going to sink or anything like that. So both systems are great. This one right here, I like it for those guys that are out there and you have a tub and you have a keypad you want to replace, but you can't reach it because it's unreachable. It's on the other side. It's by the wall, and there's no way you're going to get to it. And to make it even harder sometimes, you know, there's old keypads out there like this one here, like this old Kohler one, and they have a nut on the back, so you're not going to be able to simply just, you know, pop it up and, you know, and drop another keypad in its place if it's too far away. So this is the option that you want to go with. You just plug the pump in right here and you're set to go. Option 1, option 2. Both are great options, okay? If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks for watching.